What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get to uranium in Animal Company in the new update. And I am joined by GTP Monkey, and we are going to show you the new way to uranium this update.
Let's go!
Alright, so first of all, in sewers, it's a bit weird because this update came out on April Fools, so they kind of messed with the game. As you can see, once we go down here, see there's something weird. So let me first. Okay, then we're in here. There's where like green light. There's something new. As you can see, Shrek's there. This leads to Dark Forest, which is pretty cool. If I say so. Yeah?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Alright, let's see go.
Whoa.
Seagulls.
What the heck is happening? What the heck is happening? Alright. Alright, so then I guess now we're gonna go out to sewers, and I'm gonna speed this up, getting back up there. Alright, sorry about that. Just was lagging. Alright, so we're gonna get back. Alright, and then you wanna come back here. Then you might wonder, where could uranium possibly be? Well, I'll be showing you. And here is the way. So first you want to head over to the landmines area. And then you get out of here. That was close. And then once you get over here, you want to keep heading to the forest, and then you might wonder why we're going this way. I'll show you in a bit, and that's a dead end, so you'd want to come over here, and now we're in Dark Forest. And I wonder why we need to be in Dark Forest. Well, you might think, hey, wait, this is the sewer pipe from earlier. Well, it's not. And oh gosh, and then there's the ogre, which we like to call him Shrek. Okay, that was close. Also, just don't care about red light green light. Once it gets right here, let's just ignite the. Oh, research point. That's nice. There it is. Alright, so now.
I'm gonna find some things.
Alright, so while we're waiting for him, I'll show you the way. This might get a bit tricky if you don't have a grappler and if you don't have a light. Well, wanna come along? Oh yeah, it's this way. And then see those two? Don't worry. Just get past red light, green light. Quickly get into here. Because she could get for whatever he or she, whatever it is. And then once you get back here, once you get back here, sorry. Once you get over here, if you want to go back, go through there. I don't know the way of the maze, but the way we're going.
Are you already in the first
And then you want to go to the second parkour thing, whatever you call it. So make sure to go on that side. So if you go through the other side, you'll end up at a different place. Right now, let's wait for GTP Monkey. sorry about that, guys. I just died, and also I finally found GTP Monkey, and then so you want to be coming this way. Also, we don't really know the way, so we're just gonna be guessing our way something. I feel like she's just right there. Should we call that the person? All right, you want to go first?
No, absolutely not. I think since it's your video, you should go very
It's
first.
your video too.
I'm not recording. How about we just...
Found it, I found it. Nope. I found it. All right,
Yes!
did you find it? Did you find it? GTP Monkey? Hello? Can you hear me? And then that's how to get to uranium. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Also, uranium's a really good spot to go mining, not just for nuts, but also for all sorts of, and the hip slots are really good, so you can just do that, put everything in your backpack, and that's
Should we have me shred it? Because I'm not shredder.
sure, and then I guess we could show you when we get back. Alright, so that'll be the end for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'd really like for you guys to like and subscribe so you could be a part of my OG group. So I guess here's the way to uranium, and that's all for this video.